Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the leaning diamond stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the double crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 5 plus 3. I have already made 28 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 6th chain from your hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're going to start our sequence here. Make 1 chain, then work 3 double crochet around this double crochet you had just made. Now you're going to skip 3 chains into this next one, make a double crochet, make that 1 chain, and then make 3 double crochet around this double crochet you had just made. Same thing, skip 3 chains, make a double crochet into the next one, make 1 chain, and then make 3 double crochet around that double crochet you had just made. You're now going to repeat this sequence of skipping 3 chains, making 1 double crochet into the next one, chain 1, and then work 3 double crochet around that double crochet you had just made until you reach the end of this row. When you get to the end of this row, you're only going to have 2 chains left. Skip 1 chain into this last chain, work 1 double crochet by itself to complete row 1. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. So we're going to immediately start the sequence for this row. It's going to be the same as row 1. We're just going to be working into stitches instead of chains. You're going to skip all the way over to this stitch right here. It's going to be a previous double crochet that was worked over. You could see these 3 were worked over this double crochet right here underneath. So it's going to be this stitch here. You're going to make that double crochet, chain 1, then work those 3 double crochet over that double crochet you had just made. So then you're going to skip to the next one. It's going to be this stitch right here. You could see it's that previous double crochet underneath. Work a double crochet, chain 1, work 3 double crochet over that double crochet you had just made. Same thing, skip to the next one. It's going to be this stitch right here. You can see it's a double crochet underneath all of this. Make a double crochet, chain 1, work 3 double crochet over that double crochet you had just made. Now you're going to repeat this sequence of skipping over to this previous stitch right here. So you're skipping all of this, working into this stitch, which is a double crochet underneath all of this. It's going to be like this double crochet here that you work over. You're going to make a double crochet into that stitch, chain 1, and then work 3 double crochet over the double crochet you had just made. You're going to repeat all of that until you reach the end of this row. When you reach the end of your row and you only have some chains left, work 1 double crochet into the top of those chains at the end of the row to complete row 2. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the leaning diamond stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.